Ito si our favorite cute panda. Children loves to draw panda. At ito naman si Piggy. Mga ano lang to, mga simple drawings lang na itinuturo ko sa mga kinder. So, kayang-kaya nyo yung gawin yan, ano? Mga ano lang to, mga oval shapes, oh. At saka mga carved lines. and you can form already an object. See, mga simple animals lang to. Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Hope you are always in the pink of health. Nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan ngayon. My video today is all about line drawings. And the reason why I want to share this to you, because this is the easiest way how to start, how to begin drawing. So in drawing, nothing is better than the first attempt. Meaning to say, sa simula ninyo, once you did a line drawing, kahit anong subject, then then that is your first experience of line drawing. It doesn't necessarily na dapat tapos kayo ng fine arts or with training in fine arts, but it is the interest and the experience and the likes. Drawing is the honesty of the art. There is no possibility of cheating. It is either good or bad, yung resulta nun. And drawing is the basis of all art. A bad painter cannot draw, but one who draws well can always paint. Drawing is used for illustrating important concepts and to communicate as well as a means of artistic expression. So, ang mga artists, ang expression nila ay they use drawings to express their inspiration, their emotion. So, it's through drawings. The one-line art or one-line drawing is the art of creating complex shapes on paper with just one uninterrupted flowing. This trend is very minimalistic and all you need is a single pencil and white paper only, tulad ng ginagawa ko. So, a line drawing is a form of art using only lines to create an image or a picture, and these drawings can range from simple outlines of objects to more complex composition. They embrace simplicity by using only lines and avoiding shading or color. Tulad ng mga example na ipinakita ko sa inyo, it's only a mere plain lines and without shading or color. Parang flat, but it is a line drawing. Very simple, and anybody can do it. One-line drawings are created with one continuous unbroken line often flowing smoothly. Tulad ng ipinakita ko sa inyo, very simple lang siya, mga simple and cute drawings. The lines are typically well-defined, making the drawing easy to understand. Sa tingin nyo lang, once you look at this sample of my drawings, you can easily be inspired and motivated by doing it. Animal and nature illustration usually these are my examples. Most of these are animals using only one line. Outline drawings that depict recognizable objects or scenes. Line drawings can capture the important form of a subject without unnecessary details. Nakita nyo sa drawing ko, walang mga details, di ba? Yung mga basic lang ang nakita nyo, tulad ng eyes, yung mouth, yung ears, mga basic lang yon sa line drawings. Pero no shading and no details at all. The mga basic lang yung details niya. They highlight the beauty and expressiveness of the line itself. So, ang focus nando sa line. Usually, sa line drawing, there are different shapes like oval, a square, usually a circle. It is easy to create and appreciate, making them a popular form of art for both artists and viewers. Very popular itong mga simple line drawings na to. I hope you like it while watching it, and then you can write your comments. You can like it if you like it. You can write down your comments down below, and I would appreciate it. And if you want if you want to know something, and if you have question, you can also write it down. Okay. Enjoy watching.